Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Tacoma versus Rav4. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which vehicle best suits your lifestyle. The Tacoma excels in rugged performance, while the Rav4 shines with its practical versatility. Understanding these core distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to performance, the Tacoma is built for power and utility. Its available V6 engine provides robust horsepower and impressive towing capabilities, perfect for heavy loads or adventurous trips. The Rav4, on the other hand, offers efficient four-cylinder power, ideal for daily commutes and lighter hauling. Consider your primary use case to determine which engine and capability set aligns with your needs. Inside, the Tacoma prioritizes rugged functionality, offering a durable cabin designed to withstand tough conditions. It's equipped with essential tech for navigation and entertainment. The Rav4 presents a more polished and comfortable interior, featuring advanced infotainment and ample cargo room for families or gear. Both vehicles come with Toyota's comprehensive suite of safety technologies, ensuring peace of mind on any journey. Regarding fuel economy, the Rav4 clearly leads, offering excellent miles per gallon for everyday driving and longer trips. The Tacoma, as a truck, naturally has lower fuel efficiency, but it compensates with its superior hauling and off-road prowess. Both vehicles maintain strong resale values, a hallmark of Toyota. For great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.